Natural remedies for nightmares can vary from lifestyle changes to herbal treatments. Here are some options you might consider. Herbal remedies. Valerian root is known for its calming effects and is often used to promote sleep. Chamomile tea is a well-known herbal remedy to induce relaxation and improve sleep quality. Using lavender essential oil in a diffuser or applying it to your pillow can help create a calming sleep environment. Passion flower is often used to treat anxiety and improve sleep. Dietary changes. Avoid caffeine and alcohol as these substances can disrupt sleep patterns and contribute to nightmares. Eat a balanced diet to ensure you're getting all necessary nutrients to support overall health and good sleep. Lifestyle adjustments. Regular exercise can help reduce stress and improve sleep quality, but avoid exercising too close to bedtime. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day to regulate your sleep cycle. Practices such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress and anxiety. Sleep environment. Ensure your mattress and pillows are comfortable and supportive. Create a dark, quiet, and cool sleeping environment to promote restful sleep. Use calming scents like lavender or chamomile in your bedroom. Mental and emotional health is crucial for a good night's sleep. Journaling can be a great way to clear your mind before bed. Write down your thoughts and feelings to help ease your mind. Talking to a therapist can also be beneficial. Addressing any underlying issues with a professional can help reduce the occurrence of nightmares. Let's talk about supplements. Melatonin, a natural hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles, can be taken as a supplement to aid sleep. It might help you get a more restful night. Let's explore some dream practices. Lucid dreaming techniques can be incredibly helpful. Learning to become aware that you're dreaming can allow you to control and alter the dream narrative. Another effective method is dream rehearsal therapy. By rewriting the ending of a nightmare to a more positive outcome during the day, you can help reduce the frequency of nightmares. Implementing these remedies can help improve sleep quality and reduce the occurrence of nightmares. If nightmares persist, it might be helpful to consult a healthcare professional for further advice. Please like, comment, and subscribe to help us grow our health and wellness channel. Thank you.